Today, I'm going to be doing something that may or may not destroy my balls. To make this happen, I just have to add water to a beaker and a decent amount of sodium carbonate. Then I can add the luminol, which can dissolve in this solution. I also need to add some sodium bicarbonate, and this solution is basically ready. Now, I just need to make an iron solution by mixing together 3% hydrogen peroxide and something called potassium ferrocyanide. To make the luminol glow, I just have to mix these two solutions together. To try this, I'll first need to make some bubbles, so I'll get some soapy water and I'll shoot in the hydrogen. At this point, I felt that it was looking pretty good, and I carefully scooped out some of the bubbles. And they were pretty fun to light on fire. Just a regular beaker, and I want to make it disappear. To do this, I'll put it in another beaker, and I'll pour in a goopy liquid. At first, this isn't too interesting, and the fun only happens when the goo starts overflowing. Now, almost like magic, the beaker slowly disappears. This is happening because the liquid, which is actually just vegetable glycerin, bends light in almost the exact same way as the glass. You're gonna fully load this thing. This is like probably rivaling the puck we're gonna be making.
Is it though?
Whoa. He's an abomination. This is just some regular Coke, and I'm gonna try and turn it clear. To get started, the first step is to open it up. Then I can pour in this special liquid, and very quickly, the color starts disappearing. Over the next few minutes, it got lighter and lighter, and eventually, it was technically clear. This was because the mystery liquid that I had added was just a bunch of bleach.